Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love rich Nigerian vegetable soup packed with smoky fish and flavor, then this recipe is for you. Today I'm making a delicious vegetable soup with waterleaf, Ugwu leaf, assorted fish, white pomo and tender cow meat. Trust me, this soup is tasty, comforting and perfect with any swallow. These are all the ingredients we are using for the soup, and I will leave them in the description box. In a pot, I added the cow meat, stockfish head and dry fish. I added a little water so it doesn't get burned while cooking. Then I seasoned it with Knorr cube and salt. Added more water. Stir everything together and cover the pot to cook until the meat becomes soft and flavorful and the water becomes dry. Once the meat was properly cooked and the water reduced, I removed the meat from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, I added red oil. Once the oil heated up slightly, I added chopped onions and fried them for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I added the waterleaf, Scotch bonnet pepper, white pomo, smoked shawa fish, smoked panla fish and crayfish. Please, if you are adding shawa fish, be careful with the bone. Make sure you debone the fish carefully before adding it to your soup. You can use smoked mackerel fish as an alternative if you want. I stirred everything together and covered the soup to cook for 3 minutes so all the flavors can blend beautifully. While the soup was cooking, I prepared the Ugwu leaf. I squeezed the chopped Ugwu leaf because I don't like seeing very long strands of Ugwu in my vegetable soup. Squeezing it this way helps the soup blend together better and give it a more balanced texture. It's almost like the way bitter leaf is squeezed before cooking. Please, if you are enjoying this recipe so far, please help me hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Your support truly means a lot to me and helps this channel grow. After 3 minutes, I added back the cooked cow meat and stirred everything together. Then I added another Knorr cube and finally added the squeezed Ugwu leaf. Please, when adding your salt and seasoning, be careful when adding it because vegetable soup gets salty very easily, especially with stockfish, dry fish, crayfish and smoked fish already inside the soup. So always add small seasoning first. Taste as you cook and adjust if needed. Next, I added a little more red oil for extra richness. Added the remaining crayfish and gave the soup a very good stir. At this point, the aroma in the kitchen was absolutely amazing. I tested the soup to check the seasoning, and once everything was perfect, I covered the pot and allowed it to cook for 4 more minutes. And just like that, our delicious Nigerian vegetable soup is ready. Rich, colorful, flavorful and loaded with goodness. I served the soup into a plate, and of course I had to dish out another portion for tasting because this soup smells too good to resist. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, share with your friends and family, and subscribe for more delicious Nigerian recipes. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.